Okay, if you have the Mighty Mule gate opener and you're trying to install this wireless vehicle sensor, I know there's a couple videos up there, but none of them are super clear, so just want to make one that maybe might be clearer. You can take these instructions for it and pretty much throw them in the trash. I'll show you what my circuit board looks like and what I went through, but not using this thing, the only thing we actually used is the green module with the cover, and do already have the batteries in, and this is what my dip switch settings look like. If I can get it to focus, there you go. And we'll walk out to, I just have a zip tied to a tree currently and buried out to the side of a driveway. We'll walk over to the box and show you what it looks like over there. I messed with this thing for a couple hours before I figured it out. Had the other module wired in here and realized that you didn't need it. So you're gonna, before you connect the green module that we just saw that goes in this, you want to put the batteries on it or have the batteries ready. Come over here and hit your learn button, your enter button, like you would for your remote for your car. Hold it down, the beep, put your batteries in the green module that goes inside this, and it will beep again. Make sure your gate's closed before you do this, and it will open the gate. That's how you know you got it right. Once it opens the gate, you should be able to put your green cover back on and drive your vehicle over the sensor. So if you're green, if your circuit board looks like this and you say that's green because I say it's green, and it doesn't match anything in the instructions, this is what works. Hope it helps. You can comment below if you have any questions. I'll do my best. I figured it out like everybody else has, so good luck.